children, are you safe at home? Yeah, you all are safe at home. Okay, na? Now, already previous video 8 to already I explained 2 question answers, no children? Did you get the 2 answers? Okay, very good. Come on. Next, when 2 questions, more than 2 questions, come on, look at the board, all children. Be careful. Keep your surroundings silently and look at the board. Okay, shall we start the next questions? 2 questions. First, what is the lesson name? Did you remember the lesson name? Yes. What is the lesson name, say? Yes. Second lesson, what is the lesson number? Lesson number 2. What is the lesson name, children? Come on, say all children. My sweet, sweet home. Come on. What is the lesson name? My sweet, sweet home. Already first 2 questions completed in the previous video 8. Once remember the 2 question and answers. How old is Raj? Raj is 6 years old. Okay. Did you get the answer? How old is Raj? Raj is 6 years old. Next question. Who lives with Raj and his family? Okay, children. Once again, I repeat the question. Who lives with Raj in his house? Yes. You get the answer? Yes, Raj family lives in Rajni's house. Okay, who lives in the Raj house? Raj family. Raj family lives in the Raj house. Okay, children. There are 2 questions. First 1, 2 questions. Now shall we start third question? Okay, come on, look at the board. Third question. Now, look at the board. I will write down the question. Come on, look at the both children clearly. Now, say HOW, how? HOW, how? MANY, many. MANY, many. How many? How many? Rooms, ROOMS. Rooms, ROOMS. Rooms. How many rooms? They, THERE, they. How many rooms are there in? Rods, RAJ, rods. S apostrophe. Already in previous video, what is the apostrophe? I explained, no? That house belongs to rods. Okay. HOUSE, house. Okay, children. Once I repeat the question. How many rooms are there in Raj's house? Okay, again. How many rooms are there in Raj's house? Okay, how many rooms are there in Raj's house? Now, answer is, how many rooms are there in Raj's house? You know the answer? Yes, already I said so many times. How many rooms are there? Yes, how many rooms? 6 rooms. How many rooms are there in the Raj house? 6 rooms. Raj house is very big, no? 6 rooms are there. Okay, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, drawing room, dining room, study room, like that different rooms are there there are, T see children, T is capital T. I am using T is capital T. There are, T-H-E-R-E, there, A-R-E-R, there are 6 rooms. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. There are 6 rooms. R-O-O-M-S, rooms. There are 6 rooms in Raj house. Okay. There are 6 rooms in Raj. R capital R. Why? Person gives first letter. We are using capital letter. Raj. S apostrophe. Raj house. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Come on, once repeat the answer. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R, A-R-E-R, there are 6. S-I-X, 6. There are 6 rooms. R-O-O-M-S, rooms. R-O-O-M-S, rooms. I-N-N, Raj, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. How many rooms are there in Raj house? Question again, repeat the question. How many rooms are there in Raj house? Okay, now what is the answer? There are 6. There are 6 rooms in Raj house. Okay, how many rooms are there in Raj house? There are 6 rooms are in Raj house. Okay, children, did you get the third answer? How many rooms are there in Raj house? There are 6 rooms in Raj house. Now, next fourth question. Okay. Now, come on, look at the board. Okay, come on, look at the board. What? What is the spelling of what? W-H-A-T, what? Does. D-O-E-S, does. D-O-E-S, does. What does Raj? R-A-J, Raj. R-A-J, Raj. What does Raj do? D-O, do. D-O, do. In. I-N, in. I-N, in. Da. T-H-E, da. T-H-E, da. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Okay. What does Raj do in the garden? What does Raj do in the garden? Raj has garden, no? Big garden, no? And what do you do, Raj every day? Yes, we know the answer, children. Yes, we know that. All children, we know that answer. What is the answer? Say once. What does the Raj do in the garden? Yes, Raj, what do you do in the garden? Raj, water the plants in the garden. Did you know answer? Yes, everyone should know. So, come on, what does Raj do in the garden? What does Raj do in the garden? Okay, once repeat the question. Listen carefully. How to read? What does Raj do in the garden? Come on, answer. Raj. Already I told now what I said. First letter, capital letter. Raj. R-A-J, Raj. Raj. What do you do? Raj waters the plants in the garden. Waters. Raj waters plants. They are doing work. Raj waters the plants in the garden. Okay, after complete the sentence, what we put? Full stop. Okay, did you understand? See, I am putting here first third answer complete after put full stop. Now, next like that, fourth answer also complete after here I put full stop. Every sentence you write first letter capital letter and complete the sentence you put the full stop. Don't forget, children. Okay, now read the question. What does Raj do in the garden? What does Raj do in the garden, children? Raj, R-A-J, Raj. Raj spelling, did you get the Raj spelling? Yes, what is the spelling of Raj? R-A-J, Raj. Raj waters. W-A-T-E-R-S. Waters. Okay. W-A-T-E-R-S. Waters. Waters the P-H-E, the. Waters the plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. In the garden. In I-N-A-T-H-E, the garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Okay. See, come on. What does Raj do in the garden? Raj waters the plants in the garden. Okay, children? Plants. Where are the plants? In the garden? No. There is so many plants and trees are there in the garden. No. Raj has very big, beautiful garden is there. What are there in the garden? Plants are there in the garden. Plants and trees also there in the garden. Raj, what do you do every day? Every day Raj water the plants daily. Every day. He did not forget. Okay. What does Raj do in the garden? Raj playing in the garden? No. Raj sleeping in the garden? No. What do you do, Raj, in the garden? Raj water the plants in the garden. Okay, did you understand the fourth question? This fourth question in this lesson. Maths sweet home. How many question and answers there, children? 4 question and answers. What is the first question? How old is Raj? Already previous 8th video I explained now. Given reason on the oral drilling also. How old is Raj? Raj, how old is Raj? Raj is 4 years? No. Raj is 5 years? No. How old is Raj? Raj is 6 years old. Now, next second question. What is who lives with Raj in his family? Who lives with Raj in his family? Yes, who lives with Raj family lives in the Raj house. Okay. Third question. Here. Now today we have third and fourth questions. Okay. How many rooms are there in the Raj house? How many rooms are there in the Raj house? There are 6 rooms in Raj house. There are 6 rooms in Raj house. Okay. Now fourth question. What does Raj do in the garden? What does Raj do in the garden, children? Raj water the plants in the garden. Raj waters. Waters. What is the spelling of waters? W-A-T-E-R-S. Waters. The T-H-E, the plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. In the garden. Did you understand the 4 question answers? Yes. See, children, I am writing question answers now. See, Raj, give finger gap. Next another word. Again, give finger gap. Give like this. Word to word, give finger gap and write. Okay? Then the handling is very nice. Otherwise, did not give gap and write very that is there. Okay? Raj, give gap. Waters, gap. Like this, right? Everyone should write very, very neatly homeworks. Okay? How many rooms are there in the Raj house? There are 6 rooms in the Raj house. What does Raj do in the garden? Raj waters the plants in the garden. Did you understand? Now, I will explain plurals. Okay? In this lesson, plural forms. learn plurals. Plurals means more than one. Plurals means more than one. One only there means that is the singular form. More than one, plural form. You know already plurals. Come on, in this lesson, what are the plurals? One side wise it. Children, look at the board. First one is house. House is only singular form, only one house. Raj, how many houses are there? Only one house only, no? Raj has only one house. Say house. Only one house is there, no? That is the house. 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 More than one house. Okay, plural form. Houses. What you are adding? Yes, you are adding yes. Houses. Yes. Houses. Okay. Houses. See? This is only one house. Okay. Only one house only here. House only. Here, more than one. More than one. 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. See. More than one. 1, 2, 3 like this. So many houses. Okay. Now house, houses. House is the singular form. Houses is the plural form. House, H-O-U-S-E, house. Houses, H-O-U-S-E, yes. Here what you are adding here? Yes. You are adding yes. Okay. Now house, houses. House, houses. House, what is the plural form of house? Houses. What is the plural form of house? Houses. What is the spelling of houses? H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. Now, second one is room. R-O-O-M, room. Only one room is there. Only one bedroom. Only one bedroom is there. One room. Room, you say room. Kitchen. Only one kitchen is there. You say room. Okay, so many rooms are there. See, Raj house, how many rooms are there? 6. 6 rooms. What do you say? Rooms. Plural form? Rooms. R-O-O-M-S. Rooms. Come on. What is the plural form of room? Rooms. What is the plural form of room? Rooms. R-O-O-M-S. Rooms. Okay. Did you understand? House, houses. Room, rooms. Next, third one is garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Okay. Garden means thota. Garden means in Telugu thota. Okay. See, garden. What is the plural form of garden? Gardens. Gardens. Okay. What is the plural form of garden, Amma? Gardens. G-A-R-D-E-N-S. Gardens. Garden. Gardens. Garden. Gardens. Okay. G-A-R-D-E-N-S. Gardens. This is the plural form. What is this? Plural form. This is singular form. Garden is the singular form. What is the plural form of garden? Gardens. What is the plural form of garden? Gardens. G-A-R-D-E-N-S. Gardens. Okay. Now fourth one is T-T-E-R, butterfly. F-L-Y, fly. No, only one butterfly is there in the rose garden? No, so many butterflies are there, no? Come on, what is the spelling of butterflies? Already so many times I explained, no, butterflies. B-U. Come on children, say B-U. T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. Okay. See children, here all S only are adding. These 5 all S only are adding. But here butterfly, what you are adding? Here I-E-S adding. Okay. Butterflies. Some difference is there. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Okay. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Here plural of, what is the plural form of butterfly? Butterflies. You call butterflies. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. Butterflies. Okay. Now, 7th one is flowers. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Flowers. So many flowers are there in the rose garden now. Okay, so many plants are there. What are there on the plant? So many flowers are there. Flower, flowers. Flower, flowers. Okay, these are plurals of the My Sweet Home lesson. Okay, children, listen carefully. These all 7 plurals are in this lesson. Once given, we will see house, houses, house, houses, room, rooms, room, rooms, garden, gardens, garden, gardens, plant, plants, plant, plants, tree, trees, tree, trees, butterfly, butterflies, butterfly, butterflies, flower, flowers. Okay children, did you understand the plurals of the lesson? Yes. Learn properly and prepare well. Okay. Now tomorrow next class I will start next class children. Okay. Bye.